Makrotha wall chasing machines make easy, clean and fast the chasing job in walls and partition walls due to its exclusive design and outstanding performance. They are the ideal tools for professionals, easing the hard work of embedding wires, conduits and pipes for the electrical, plumbing, heating and air conditioning industries. Makrotha wall chasers are light and versatile. The ideal machines to work in places which require sturdy, robust and reliable machines. Their fast and clean cuts avoid damaging the walls and material waste. With Makrotha wall chasers, 1 meter of chase can be opened in less than 15 seconds. Working with Makrotha increases productivity with up to 10 times more linear meters cut per working day. Makrotha wall chasers achieve clean, perfect chases in 1 cut only. Compared to other chasing solutions, Makrotha will allow you to save up to 80% in time and materials. Able to open more than 800 linear meters of chase in 1 full day of work, the Makrotha wall chasers will be paid off in a short period of time. Makrotha's exclusive accident-free design protects users from the cutting blades. The milling cutter cover collects all debris, ensuring offcuts are contained and later placed onto the floor. The Makrotha wall chasers are exclusively designed to attach themselves to the wall once they are inserted, meaning that the weight is not borne by the user. To open chases, just push the machine in the direction of the chase. That is why we say, weight is not important. With Makrotha, you can work for longer with less effort. Makrotha wall chasers are the only wall chasers in the market that don't produce dust. The cutter's low speed does not grind the material, but cuts it, producing small pieces of debris that fall evenly to the floor. Makrotha chasers are the world's most powerful milling cutter wall chasers available. This allows them to work on materials other chasers cannot, such as cement blocks or solid clay bricks. Makrotha's cutting device is a milling blade with teeth made of carbide tungsten of exclusive design. Currently, we have 14 types of milling blades to suit different applications, materials and cutting requirements of up to 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Makrotha's milling cutters are the longest lasting and more resistant blades on the market. To achieve these wider chases, cut 2 parallel chases one next to another to obtain desired width. To open chases for switch and gearboxes, we will employ a similar method. Make 4 cuts on each side of the desired box size and mill the center out by swinging the machine from one side to another and later scooping the center out. The milling cutters are installed in an easy and secure way by screwing the cutter. To change blades, we will use the removing tools supplied with a chaser. It is very important to keep the blade sharpened at all times. For sharpening, we will use a standard grinding stone, grain 80. Makrotha wall chasing machines can make the following chases: straight, diagonal, near the floor, curve, Makrotha wall chasers are efficient, fast, practical, These are machines built to last under the harsh working conditions of construction sites.